What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having a great morning, evening, or afternoon, whatever you may be watching this video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be covering the new PLM Catless headers and the AWE Track Catback that I have on my GR86. We're going to be going out and getting a few different shots of how it sounds at different RPM ranges, maybe a couple flybys back and forth, and then maybe I'll have Jordan, my brother, drive my car, and that way I can hear personally what it sounds like from the outside. So with that being said, let's get the car started up. We'll hear what it sounds like on a cold start, and then we'll go out to a location where we can get a few flybys and rev the car up a little bit without anyone getting mad at us. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the car all started up. Alright, you guys, so I got Jordan in the car right now. I'm gonna see him and have him do a couple pulls back and forth, just going up and down this road. So we'll just hear what it sounds like from the outside. This is gonna be my first time hearing someone else drive my car with the new PLM headers from the outside. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. We're just gonna wait for this car right here to pass because this road's a little narrow, so we'll just see. We'll wait for this car to pass right now.
Holy crap. Oh my god. That sounds so deep though, you guys. That's like literally, oh my god.
That's literally that's literally exactly what I wanted, you guys, was that nice deep Subaru rumble, and that's exactly how it sounds. I couldn't be happier with how the new headers came out with this exhaust. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious to hear what you guys have to say. I know it is super loud, especially on the cold starts, but there is tunes that I can get to actually like turn that off where it makes it where the cold start isn't so loud. You guys just watched my most recent video that I made where I had like these DIY pool noodles, kind of helped with the cold start a little bit, but eventually down the line I for sure need to get a tune anyways, just because I have headers on the car, and having that cold start eliminated also will just make it an added bonus. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my God, that's ridiculous. Holy crap. Holy crap. I know Jordan's loving this right now too, you guys. He's been asking me like, for like, I think it's been like, I don't know how long I've had the headers on now. I think it's been like almost a week now. Every single day since then, he's been asking me to drive the car so bad because he wants to be able to experience what it's like. Because if you guys know, he has a 2020 Civic Si, and although it is have a modified exhaust on it, it isn't the loudest just because it has a turbo on it as well. So he loves whenever he'd be able to drive, or whenever he's in my car, how loud it is. So I figured I'd let him just do this because I know he'd enjoy it. Alright you guys, so that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for today's video on the PLM Catless unequal length headers, along with my AWE Track Catback exhaust. Let me know what you guys think about this setup. It definitely is pretty crazy, and I'm curious as to whether or not you guys would run this on your 86 or BRZ. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. We're actually trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we're so close. I think we're at like 980. We're this close, you guys. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below what kind of video ideas you guys would like to see next with my 86. I'm always reading them, and I'm always trying to reply to them as well. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. Peace.